what you do is just open the virtual machine that you want to use to install vmtools on. So just open it up, go on the top where it says VM, and then go where it says update vmtools. And once you update vmtools, take you to this link. And this is the download for the vmtools. Basically just click it and install it. To install it, all you gotta do, go back and where it says VM, go to devices. And then once you do that, you just gotta go back to settings, and then to go to settings, just go to browse. And once you browse, um, you gotta browse the ISO that you downloaded, basically, which is the VM tools. So you gotta go to all the VM tools that we downloaded, download, and now we got our VM tools added. We click OK, and it's okay if it says this because we're just gonna add the ISO to our virtual machine. So after that, we just gotta go to CD DVD again, and then go back to connect. And then once we're connected, now we can actually see we have VM tools ready to install. So we gotta go to our documents folder or anywhere that you can access the devices on your PC, storage devices. Just go and open it and then install it. That's all you do. And after that though, after you're done, make sure you go back to movable devices and CD DVD and go back to settings and make sure if you did have something already over here, you gotta put it back. So put it back after you're done installing VM tools so you don't mess up anything. So just add it back, click OK, and then once we're adding it back, we're gonna do the same thing again. Connect, things back to normal, and then now you get your VM tools installed. Got any issues or anything, let me know. I'll try to help. And thank you for watching. See you.